back, Dingo Pack. So today I'm going to be filling up this pool with a bunch of packing peanuts for Tuck in Brooklyn. And yeah, sorry I haven't posted in so long. I know a lot of things has changed, I guess. I got braces. I know I look so weird, but yeah, so happy holidays to everyone. I got a bunch of stuff for Christmas for my ferrets. I got hammocks, treats, toys, and this. So I think it'd be really fun to record and show you guys since I haven't seen you guys in a while. So let's go. Okay, so they're in the cage and I think I'm gonna do it right here. Let's just do it. Hopefully I have enough packing peanuts. So. Alright. So yeah. It's pretty big, I think. I don't know. Let's put the packing peanuts in. I got a Rudolph onesie. Comment down below if you want to haul all my Christmas stuff, and let's pour it in now. Oh, I definitely have enough. Oh my gosh, this is too funny. They're gonna love this so much. Let's go get them. I did to see, here's Tack. Hi, big girl. Here's Brooklyn, sleeping in the new little pouch we got. Oh, look at you. Wakey, wakey. Got some good fun times, huh? Ooh, ooh. Should probably do this in one hand. Okay, here. There you go. There you go. Don't say I'm abusing her. She's fine. Girls, I got a surprise for you. Come here. Look. What is it? Have a better reaction than this. Just bury you. Alright, I'm gonna go. Alright, here's Brooklyn. Where's Tuck, Brooklyn? Oh, there she is! Kisses. Oh. Oh my gosh, she's eating it. If you guys are gonna do this, make sure they're cornstarch packing peanuts. I know cornstarch obviously isn't good for them, but it's obviously better than styrofoam. Stop eating them, Brooklyn. Play. Oh, you grabbed one. She has one in her hand. Play with Sissy. Big you. Ah! Attack of Tuck. So Tuck, very enjoying herself. Kind of wants out. And Brooklyn over here is just eating it. Play. No bites. No bites. Okay, so I don't know if they really liked it that much, but yeah. They kind of like it sometimes if they're in the mood, but other than that, not really. And so yeah, let me know if you guys want to see my haul of everything I got for Christmas, and bye!